what's going on? I have no idea where JakeOfALL is. He's probably out buying something or doing something, and we're supposed to be doing a Friday video, and he's nowhere to be found. But I haven't. Oh, I was gonna say, I bet you he's with Miss DeWalt or he's buying something PACKOUT related. We're gonna find out what he's doing. He's backing up into the driveway. What's going on? Hey!
Hey, what are you doing?
Why is there lumber in my car?
It's fine. I've got it. It's fine. I'm serious.
Guys, there's
I got it. Trust
in
me.
this car. Like, it's got leather seats. It's all bougie. What's
Hey,
he
you
doing?
said we could get rid of the Raptor, and I said this was going to happen.
Yeah, I did.
But
so what is this that you got going on?
I got the Tmat.
What is the Tmat?
It's the mat that looks like little T's.
Okay, well what?
I mean, it looks maybe more like little X's, but
yeah.
Check it out. Check this out. Look at this. Look.
I'm gonna show them. Tmat, the ultimate cargo management system.
Do you see this? Oh, she's blocking me.
Sorry. Yeah, I was
Look at that. Okay. Right.
So are we gonna show them how this works?
We are gonna show them. We're gonna show them. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna grab some more of the stuff. PACKOUT Princess is gonna grab the camera.
Yep.
And we'll show you in the back of this. So.
Okay. You want me to take all this?
I'll do this.
Okay. Here.
And I'm gonna give her the iPhone, and you guys are gonna follow along. And if you haven't noticed, we're mic'd up.
Other side. There you go.
Right.
Yeah.
We're mic'd up. Oh, nice shirt.
Yeah. Right.
JDS.
JDS.
Oh, hey, did you see my hat?
JakeOfALL.
JDS. It's the JDS hat. Okay.
Okay.
So you're ready? All right, let's start.
Okay. Following you.
All right, so here, let's start over here.
Okay.
Okay, so I got this big box of goodies.
Yep.
And if you look over there, you can see it on the workbench. But we're going to show it off in the SUV because, you know, why not, right? All right, so it ships. They got a bunch of different configurations. So I've got the little 1 foot by 1 foot squares and then these filler pieces, okay? So let's go over to the car. All right, so this grid was very easy to put down in this car because of the dimensions, but as you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 wide, 2 deep, and then I've got my little I wouldn't call it 1 inch sections, they're about 2 inches, right?
Basically you can like configure it to your own
can
space.
take these and you can see they're like floor tiles where you've got 2 out of 4 sides. I was about to count. 2 out of 4 sides, so you want to make sure you repeat your pattern. Okay. And then all of the accessories lock into these patterns.
So
and if you notice,
sort of clip into this.
I had the PACKOUT crate in there, but we can put a bunch of stuff. But what I did is the lumber I stood up, and this lumber is like
not going anywhere.
It's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
And that, watch this. Okay, watch this one. Like this one, I really crank that down. And now you can see they move.
They get loose, yep.
So you can put stuff in here. You can move these wherever you want them, right?
So if you had shorter boards, if you had something that was wider.
And then just as you hear it click, it goes in. But I used the same ones. I locked it in to also put the PACKOUT crate, so it wasn't going to slide there. I hit the brakes. It's all good. But wait, there's more. Look. And I'll show you these after we take the lumber out. These are little universal adapters. So say, for example, I always had this PACKOUT crate in there, right? I could screw it to the bottom of it, but then the PACKOUT crate won't lock in. Right. So I'm going to go ahead and spoil, right? I've got something that's not PACKOUT that I already attached these to. It's going to be super cool.
Merry Christmas! Shitter was full!
So
Pooper's full.
Shitter's full.
And we're back.
Okay, we're back. Sorry, I had to cut it. There's the shitter's full.
Yep,
all right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to throw these in here, and you can see how easy they come out when you want them to. Right? Grab my... Okay. I also took... I'm not ready for that yet. I took the floor mat out of her car so that I could go ahead and put this in, and then I'll just put the floor mat in over top of it. Okay. Got the feet attached, and these are just sort of randomly placed. But I lined them up to the grid, right?
Okay.
So, boom, stay there. I don't want to spoil it. We're going to spoil it for this camera. We're going to show them. How cool is that? So that is the Stack Smarter HD PE MODbox compatible. And you see that it's locked into this. Now this whole floor thing would have to lift up, but what we can do now is we could take the PACKOUT crate, we could put it right here, and here I'll set it up. So say for example we want to put the crate like this, right?
Okay.
We just take these little T-stops, put them in here, we go like that, okay? Now, one of the things you can do if you can get the stuff where you want it is you can use these, and then you see that how I didn't have one in the back. Let me add two. Okay, I'll probably turn my crate, right? And then you put the guy down and you put it up tight against it, and now it's locked in even more.
Okay.
So if you didn't have PACKOUT accessories and you just wanted to take a 5-gallon bucket, you could put 4 of these around your normal 5-gallon bucket, lock them into place.
Yeah.
Your bucket's not going anywhere.
Right.
Or if you didn't care what was on the bottom of the bucket, you could just JB weld these, glue these, whatever, to the bottom of your bucket. Or in this case, for the MODbox, he's got little pre-done holes. I would say just use double-sided tape, get them lined up, right? So you know where this unit sits, put 4 of them down, get it in place, take it out, and then use the provided nut shapes, drill a little hole, countersink it, and then your grid will always align on your 1x1 squares. And now you can come in here. Oh yeah, our accessories are in the way here. We'll take these out. That's how easy these MODbox accessories come on and off. And now I can lock the MODbox into here. I could attach this to the floor, but this is this nice SUV, and PACKOUT Princess would probably kill me if I drilled holes into it. But when I'm all done, watch this. This is what I really wanted to when I came up with this. When I'm all done, I will just take everything out. I'll take my PACKOUT crate, I'll take my extra accessories, I will load these in. Okay, pull this out. I'm going to back up. We're going to switch over to the other camera.
Okay.
Floor mat.
You gonna put it over top of it?
It's in. I think it goes the other way, doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't know actually.
Oh, we've had that in the wrong way the whole time. So now you can load the bikes in, the grid's in there, and if she wants to load other accessories in the car, groceries, things like that, milk, you don't want it sliding around, it's good to go. Now, like I said, you could attach this, you could take this to this little thing, and you could probably, you know, go through that, and that's going to make it even better. I've seen Aaron, Milwaukee Fueled, put it in his service van. I've seen other people put it in his truck. I believe he's got bigger grids, but I will link in the description for Tmat, and of course Stack Smarter's cool little plates, and there's always links for stuff like JDS and things like that, but I'll make sure the JDS shirts. These hats we have on our website, right?
Yep. They're all on the website.
So where's the logo? Where did I put their sticker? She found it. She found it. PACKOUT Princess. So
yeah,
I mean,
super
it's
simple.
Is it?
I like
am I allowed to say PACKOUT if I put a MODbox in it?
It's a mod out.
Mod out. And the orange goes really well with the black SUV, don't you think?
It's like a pumpkin.
You do like Halloween.
I do.
You love Halloween. So we get some red, we get some orange. It's all going to fit in there. The mat goes back in. The seats can go up. We can not have to take it out of the car.
Right. No drilling.
And we can just keep some of the accessories in like a little cinch bag.
Yeah.
And then if we're going out and all of a sudden we need something, we don't have to worry about it sliding around. And I didn't have to put the brackets in like I did the bed of the Raptor. She was not. Oh, I didn't realize that you guys weren't kidding. Sorry about the mic. What's up? There, that's better.
Oh my
Sorry,
gosh.
I'm terrible. Yeah, so PACKOUT video, MODbox video.
Yep.
PACKOUT Princess is here.
I'm here.
And
I'm still alive.
She's still alive. The SUV is a mess. If you guys didn't notice, it was dirty as hell.
It's got pollen all over it.
So maybe another video is going to be
Maybe.
what a
We
power
gotta
washer.
wash it.
We got to wash it. We're going to wash it with the JakeOfALL washout setup.
There you go.
But it's probably going to be a mess. There's going to be hoses everywhere. I'm going to have myself in a bathing suit.
You should wear a Speedo.
I'll wear a bikini. We'll get Packout Princess in a bikini.
Or I should wear the boy trunks and you should wear the bikini.
Comment below if you want to see Packout Princess in boy trunks and me in a bikini.
There you go.
But yeah, check out the description for links for Tmat and everyone else. And you guys know what time it is. It's time for me to mod out.
That's right. Bye.
Wait, mod out.
Yeah.
Not right. It's pack out.
Whatever.